Prime Minister Scott Morrison will make urgent changes to discrimination laws to prevent schools from expelling gay students. It's an attempt to end a political firestorm over religious freedoms in the lead-up to the Wentworth by-election.
Sorting through the weeds of unpopular policy, the PM will move to end discrimination at religious schools.
The rights and primacy of the child should be paramount.
Recommendation 5 of the Ruddock Review calls for the government to tighten the Sex Discrimination Act so that religious schools can discriminate on the basis of sexual orientation, provided it's within the precepts of the religion. New legislation will now ban religious schools from expelling gay students.
Happy to work with the opposition to this end. I don't want to play politics with it, I just want to fix it.
There's no basis for discriminating against gay kids.
With next week's Wentworth by-election looming, Prime Minister Scott Morrison has reacted quickly to join Labor in reversing laws that discriminate against gay students. The move comes amid fears the government would be punished in the progressive seat. Ellie Walsh explains.
He didn't arrive by chopper, but was there to greet some special guests who did. Last night, the Prime Minister joining forces with his father and police top brass at a charity event in Sydney.
That's the big thing with fathers and sons.
And from dressing up to hosing down. At a farm in South Australia, Scott Morrison in damage control amid growing criticism and confusion over leaked recommendations of a report to government on religious freedom. Today, vowing to amend existing discrimination laws that allows religious schools to ban gay students.
It caused unnecessary concern and stress for children and for families, and I want to see that fixed.
This was the PM on Wednesday.
That's the existing law.
Just yesterday, Tanya Plibersek was on the same page.
It's not Labor's plan to reduce any of the existing exemptions.
But now Parliament could vote on the new safeguard within days after both the Prime Minister and opposition leader agreed to repeal the law.
I wrote to Scott Morrison yesterday. I said, listen, I've heard what you've said. Let's actually scrap this law.
I don't want to play politics with it, I just want to fix it.
And he'll have to move quickly, being only 1 week out from the Wentworth by-election. The Sydney seat has the highest proportion of gay voters in the country. Ellie Walsh, 9 News.